فلما جن عليه الليل رأى كوكبا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لا أحب الآفلين.
Then when the night outspread over him, he beheld a star and said, This is my Lord. But when it went down, he said, I do not love the things that go down.
فلما رأى القمر بازغا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لئن لم يهدني ربي لأكونن من القوم الضالين.
Then when he beheld the moon rising, he said, This is my Lord. But when it went down, he said, Were that my Lord did not guide me, I surely would have become among the people who have gone astray.
فلما رأى الشمس بازغة قال هذا ربي هذا أكبر فلما أفلت قال يا قوم إني بريء مما تشركون.
Then when he beheld the sun rising, he said, This is my Lord. This is the greatest of all. Then when it went down, he said, O my people, most certainly I am quit of those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity.
إني وجهت وجهي للذي فطر السماوات والأرض حنيفا وما أنا من المشركين.
Behold, I have turned my face in exclusive devotion to the one who originated the heavens and the earth, and I am certainly not one of those who associate others with Allah in His divinity.
وحاجه قومه قال أتحاجوني في الله وقد هدان ولا أخاف ما تشركون به إلا أن يشاء ربي شيئا وسع ربي كل شيء علما أفلا تتذكرون.
His people remonstrated with him, whereupon Abraham said, Do you remonstrate with me concerning Allah, who has guided me to the right way? I do not fear those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity. Only that which my Lord wills, indeed, that alone will come by. My Lord embraces all things within His knowledge. Will you not take heed?